Whatever your current level of energy efficiency, whatever your home comfort preferences, and whatever your desired level of control, your Bryant dealer can help you make the most of them with an Evolution Extreme heat pump. Using variable speed technology, the Bryant Evolution Extreme is one of the most efficient heat pumps in the industry, with a SEER 2 seasonal energy efficiency ratio of up to 22 and an HSPF2 heating seasonal performance factor of up to 10.5. The secret is the inverter-driven variable speed compressor, which is designed to operate nearly continuously, delivering more consistent home comfort with fewer temperature swings. But this advanced heat pump delivers much more than just impressive efficiency and potential savings on your heating and cooling energy bills. With the ability to download and automatically install software updates using your home's wireless network, the Evolution Extreme heat pump can maintain optimum system performance while delivering peace of mind. The Evolution Extreme heat pump is also exceptionally quiet, with outdoor sound levels as low as 51 decibels, the lowest level in the variable speed outdoor category. And the Evolution Connects Controls Quiet Mode allows you to ensure the sound level never rises above 69 decibels, making it easier to enjoy blissfully quiet nights of sleep. The Evolution Extreme also features enhanced dehumidification, removing up to 400% more moisture than a standard system. When indoor air is properly dehumidified, it feels cooler, which allows you to increase your thermostat setting, save on your monthly cooling costs, and remain comfortable in your home. Evolution Extreme heat pumps are ENERGY STAR qualified and may be eligible for utility rebates where available. With attractive financing options, there's never been a better time to talk to your Bryant dealer and make the step up to one of the industry's most efficient ducted heat pump systems. To learn more about the Bryant Evolution Extreme heat pump, visit Bryant.com to find a dealer near you.